Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I have my Macy's beauty box as well as my BoxyLuxe. It's a little different than I normally do, but since I don't have a lure currently and I have gotten rid of Glossy Box, I kind of combined them together just to make life a little easier. So we're gonna do Macy's. It came like this month, which was really interesting. I did already grab the $10 certificate off because that's something that I try to keep in my wallet just in case. And yeah, $10 is a great deal. If you use it, if you have the Macy's Star Rewards, you can still get free shipping with the purchase, so you can spend like $10 and get a $20 item. All right, the first thing that I'm pulling out of here is from Elizabeth Arden. These are retinol ceramide capsules. I was just reading about how Reese Witherspoon likes these, and I was like, oh man, I really want to try them. And then they showed up in the Macy's box, which was really exciting. They seem to be kind of stuck together though, which is not good. It's been a little hot. They come out easily though. It's been a little hot here, so they might have gelled together just a little bit. It does seem like I might have had some leakage. I hope not. Anyway, I'm excited about those because I've heard they're good, and I liked the regular ones. I just finished using them not too long ago. Those retail for 30 ampules or capsules for $48, which is quite a bit of money. The next thing in here is from Fancy Feet. It is ball of foot gel cushion. You put it in your shoe. It is reusable, so I guess you can change them into different ones. I don't know how much I will use these. My shoes fit pretty tight, and I don't think I could probably put those in, but those retail for $4.98. Interesting addition. From Sunday Riley, gotta love a Sunday Riley. This is the CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. I feel like I have a full size of this from Allure, to tell you the truth. That is what it looks like. I'm leaving it sealed because I'm not gonna be using a face oil in the middle of summer because it is hot and I'm already greasy enough. It retails for $80, which is insane. All right. Next is from Kiehl's. This is the Turmeric and Cranberry Sea Energizing Radiance Mask. I've heard good things about turmeric, so that's kind of, oh my gosh, interesting. It doesn't smell like cranberry. I don't know if it smells like turmeric or not, but that is what it looks like. It is very yellow. I will be using this shortly since it is not sealed, so that's one I need to get cracking on. All right, they did give me an oops that something new was included, so I'm thinking it's this because I don't see the other Lancome item they're asking. They advertised, and it was a UV Expert Aquadel Defense 50, so it was like a moisturizing sunscreen. I forgot to tell you this, the turmeric mask is $42 for a full size. So from Lancome, this is the Youth Activating Eye Cream, which is good. I do like their eye creams. That is what it looks like. It's a little more than half full, I would say. So glad for that. This is actually a really nice Ziploc bag to put all of these things in, since it doesn't seem to fit the bag this month. We'll get to that. All right, next up is from Ahava. This is a mineral body lotion. I really like Ahava's products. They have a nice light scent to them, and they really work well in my hands. They saved me a couple summers, or not summers, a couple winters, that's for sure. The full size of that retails for $29. They are quite expensive. The perfume sample this month is Nomad by Chloe, which is one of the scents on my list. I don't want to spray it on me because I can still smell my perfume. So we'll spray it on the card. It does kind of have a woody scent to it, but it's supposed to have more fruit scents in it. So I'm hoping that it will kind of mellow down. We'll smell it again in a minute. All right, and then our last thing in here, this is the bag, which is in its own little plastic baggie. It looks like a brush roll. It's not the easiest thing to get out. All right. So it's pretty small. That's what it looks like on the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 brushes can go in there. It does have a nice, this is soft inside. It feels like a fake, not leather, the other thing, which I can't think of the word. And then it rolls up and you can just stick suede, that's the word. So that's how that goes. So that's actually kind of nice. It's a little different than some of the bags that they've had in the past. Get the tissue paper out of the way. All right, let's smell that perfume again. It has mellowed out. It doesn't have as sharp of a green to it. I'm not sure if it's my favorite. I don't think I would pay full price for it. It's one that I would wait and see if I could find it on the sale rack, maybe at Marshall's, maybe at Zulily, something like that. But it's definitely, I wouldn't pay the, how much is it? $105 for the 1.7 ounce. That's a lot. All right, BoxyLuxe. I got this so long ago. I got it about 2 weeks ago and I've just been sitting here. I actually got a lot of my boxes. I got BoxyCharm about 2 weeks ago, Ipsy about 2 weeks ago, Macy's about 2 weeks ago. I just have not really felt like filming, and then I ordered a new backdrop because I'm in a new space, and it was because my old backdrop wasn't wide enough and I had to iron it. I was trying to iron it today, so it might be slightly wrinkled, but that's as good as I'm gonna do. All right, so this month's theme is Getaway. That is what it looks like. And it's a little different inside this month. It looks very, very black. And the foam is only around this little guy right here. So this first thing in here was one thing that they said everybody would get. And it is a little mini hairdryer. I got the tangerine color, I guess. It does have a couple of attachments that you could put on it. So I actually have a fold-up one from Chi, which I never use because I never blow dry my hair. I blow dried my hair about 2.5 weeks ago, and I was like, my hair feels so dry and just not very pleasant. So this I might actually give it to a friend. I think this would make a nice little present for a birthday or the like. This retails for, let's see, PYT, $85. So yeah, that would be, I think, a nice gift. That's probably what I'm gonna do because I don't feel like my hair needs a hairdryer. All right, this is what the rest of the box looks like. We're gonna pull out this first thing that just started slipping. It is from Touch and Soul. It is the No Problem Prime Essence. We just got the regular primer not too long ago and I have not used it. I should. This expires in 2022, so that's nice. I have some time for it. And I probably should keep the box because it looks like the instructions are on here. Apply moderate amount and gently pat over the skin until it is fully absorbed. All right, we'll give that a try. I've been having skin issues, so right now I found a primer that works and I'm gonna stick with it till it's gone. Next up is from Trustique. This is the second thing from Trustique that I've gotten this month. This is the Good Vibes mascara, and it's, I guess, has a curler tool on it, which seems pretty scary. Flip down to curl. I'm not going to actually open it because I have so many mascaras that I need to use and try. And I have one that's from Influencer right now that I'm trying to work on it to give a review. So I don't need any mascara. I really hate getting mascaras because 95% of the time, they're not going to work for me. They're going to transfer or flake. And then I'll have black circles under my eyes. It's really frustrating. That retails for $25, by the way. Next up is from Dr. Brandt. I do really like Dr. Brandt. This is a clean biotic pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. So does that mean it has green in it? I wonder if we can see. Nope, it's sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed because I'm trying to use up some other cleansers. This retails for $35. I do like Dr. Brandt. I think it's a fairly good brand, so that's exciting. Skin & Co. Radiant Dew Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Well, that one is going to definitely get passed along because I am so oily and just trying not to be a grease slick every day. I don't need anything that is illuminating, so I will pass that one along. This retails for $35, which seems like a lot, but I don't remember how much my all-nighter setting spray is. All right, next up is Living Proof Full Thickening Cream, Boost Bodied. So this is for your hair. You blow dry after you apply it. So it is not, it's great if you use the included hair dryer. Oh my gosh, I couldn't think of the word. This retails for $28, which is a lot for, this is not a very big container. So that will be passed on to somebody who actually uses that type of stuff. All right, Pharmacy. This is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. It sounds awesome. I love serums. I love AHA. That's such a good one for my skin. And Pharmacy has some nice things. So made exclusively for BoxyCharm, it is a 1 ounce, which is fairly good sized for a serum. I'm going to try to smell it. It does have a nice scent to it. Not, it's, you can tell it's the scent of the ingredients. It's not like a perfume. I will be working through this pretty quickly because I know that they don't do a lot of preservatives in Pharmacy, so I'm excited for that. This retails for $58, which is quite a bit. That makes the purchase price worth it for me because this whole thing was $49.99, and this guy for $58, I will definitely use the $35 cleanser, which is kind of insane because this is not a giant cleanser either. Definitely use that. The primer sounds okay. But yeah, definitely the skincare is what I'm going for. Dominique Cosmetics is next. This is a, what is it? It just says strawberry lemonade on it. Oh, it's a lip gloss, okay. Thankfully it says on there. Let's see if we can get it open. I'm going to destroy the packaging. I'm not always the biggest fan of lip glosses. I usually prefer a liquid lipstick or a bullet lipstick, but that looks pretty. This is the shade. It's in the shade Strawberry Lemonade. I like the color. I like the packaging, it's pretty. It smells like vanilla, like a really sticky sweet vanilla. I can tell you that I'm super disappointed it doesn't smell like lemonade. Like, if it's a lemonade long lip gloss, this should smell like lemonade. That is what it looks like. It's just pretty light. We'll see. I don't want to put it on my lips because I have a bright lip color and it will transfer like crazy. So that one's nice. That retails for $17. And then finally from Tarte, I did choose this one because you couldn't choose which of the face palettes you got, and I already have 2 of them. So I was like, I don't want to get the same one that I already have, which I probably have a very similar palette to this one, to be perfectly honest. This is an exclusive one for BoxyCharm. This is what it looks like. It does smell really good. It smells like that vanilla scent. Let's do those shimmers. Oh, that one's, this one is a lot more chunky than normal. So we have 4 shimmers. Yeah, that one doesn't perform as well. 2 of them are pretty light, but that second one that I said was kind of chunky. it did not swatch as well. And then we will do our last four, which are the mattes. It's like a really super basic palette, that's for sure. Yeah, those seem to swatch nicely. Tarte does usually a good job with the mattes. And of course it always smells quite lovely. So that one retails for $36, which again, I've gotten to the point where I'm like, I wouldn't pay $36 for that. I will keep the palette and work on that one. The lip gloss, I will try. If not, I have a friend who I know will really enjoy it. Excited about the cleanser, excited about the serum. Not excited about this. This is being passed on. This is being passed on. Mascara, super not excited about, but I will try it just to try it. Touch and Soul, this is interesting. We'll see. I can always use it. Let's see. It says it's a tightening one, which is good, but it doesn't say that it's like a lumifying or anything like that, which always makes me nervous. And then this, which is the big ticket item for it, is not really something I will use, but I think it will make a nice present. Overall, I think it's an okay box. I do think I got my money's worth just for the simple fact that the serum that I am excited about and the skincare is worth more than the price of the box. If I was paying $50 and that wasn't in there, I would not be as excited. I don't really know what to think about BoxyCharm. I would love to know what your comments and your thoughts are on them. What about, have you seen spoilers for July? Do you think I should continue getting it in July? I know they're doing their pop-up sale that they've been really advertising. I feel like they have Luxe and you have to have that month before to get Luxe. And then I feel like that month in between, they're like, it's our garbage box and we're gonna have some fantastic sale, or we're gonna do our skincare box and then we're gonna keep you suckered in. I didn't fall for it in April. I don't know what to do about July. I have a couple days to decide. So let me know what you think I should do. Hopefully this gets up before the first of the month. It might go up on the 30th. So quickly, if you watch this, let me know if you think I should cancel or not. I hope you are all having a fantastic day and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.